Now people can see what you were talking about. Some of you may have told someone that there was a person in a group, club, organization, or within some type of community that you belong to, a friendship group, that was a little bit off, that was very erratic, that was antisocial, that was quite mean spirited, and people just put it down to, oh, they're just a little bit zany, they're just a little bit different, they mean no harm. When they actually exposed their true nature, people started to see what you were talking about, and these individuals took action and booted this person out of a social club. Some people are starting to see that, you had an inkling about an individual that didn't quite fit the group. And there's nothing wrong with not fitting in, because when I was younger I didn't fit in, but there was something off. Sounds contradictory, but basically what I'm saying is this person was just, they were just there. Like, they didn't actually have any alliances with anyone within that friendship circle. They just appeared. They didn't really have anything in common with anyone. It's like they were just like a fly on the wall. They were just following people, and no one really knew how this person got into the friendship group. And true to form, it was revealed that this person was actually sent in to dismantle this friendship group and to, bring disruption. And people were called to action in regards to this individual. Maybe you got a sense, or maybe someone said something about this person, and then you took action and you did what was right to protect yourself and other people who this person could have potentially harmed. Maybe you saw something that this person did, and you knew that if you stayed connected to this individual, it would, backfire on you even more. For some of you, you warned someone about a love interest, a romantic partner, and they didn't want to listen to you, but there could have been news about this person who you warned. Their romantic partner was married, and there was something off about this person, or it was revealed that their romantic partner was using them for money, and they were already in a relationship with someone else, and it was a plot to steal the money, something of that sort. But there was some type of energy that you were warning someone about. Maybe a friend of yours or a neighbor or a sibling was connected to someone that was an actual gold digger, and you felt quite funny to tell them this because you didn't want to appear like a hater, but at the same time you knew something was off, and you actually saved this person a lifetime of depression. And this person is very thankful that you actually pinpointed things to them that they kind of felt was a little bit off, but they didn't have any clarity. And by you bringing forth your observations, it made this individual, whoever this person was to you or is to you, it made what they thought already be clarified. And they were thankful for that, because like literally I would have married this person would have taken all my money, because it's given me, like, someone may have been like a, what do they call it, a homophobe, that those people that go to people's home and they're homeless, or they've been kicked out of their property, or they haven't got a property, and then they go, what's it called, they go to people's house, they use people, they date people to get shelter basically. So you were trying to warn someone that, the person that they're with, they've already, you know, been sleeping at Julie's house or Susan's house like last year, and I swear I saw him with another chick down the road, and it seems to be a common theme. So you kind of saved someone from a lot of drama, and they actually thought to themselves, they may have known these people that this person was dating as well, but there's something around this individual just really trying to catch a break and just using anyone with a home, specifically females. It could be a male as well, that, lives by himself, and it could be a younger sibling, it could be a sibling, but you warned this person, like, don't go out on a date with this person. There was something off. This could be another situation now that you warned someone, like, do not go out on a date with this person, because if you do, it's not going to end well. And luckily, the person that you warned did not go out on a date with whoever, because whoever they were attached to was attached to drama, and whoever you were warning saved themselves a lot of karma. You told somebody about a relationship that they were in. You may have predicted that you're going to marry that person. They're like, oh, we're just seeing how it goes, and you are one of the first people that were invited to this actual wedding, because you saw the love, you saw the chemistry from the get-go, and these individuals invited you to their actual wedding. And the groom or the bride may have come over and said, listen, I remember that time 4 years ago where you said you saw that we had a thing for each other. I couldn't personally see it, but you saw it, and I'm thankful that you saw it. And I'm thankful that I pursued it. For some of you, you could have told someone that they're expecting before they even knew, and then you get invited to the baby shower. Yeah. And you become a godmother to some friends' children, something of that sort. Or you may have been bold and said, listen, I'm going to be the mother of your child one day. I'm going to be your wife, or I'm going to marry you, and the person who you were dating was slightly taken aback, but you ended up getting married to them, having their children, or just having their children. Some of you don't want to get married. Some of you may have told someone about a good opportunity for work. Maybe you met someone that you was working with, and you said, you're very talented. After speaking to them, you realize you're very talented. You will do so well in sales, in commercial property or banking. And they were in this job that you were in. Maybe you were a supervisor, but you just thought, this person's too good for this place. Or maybe you were a manager or something, or maybe you were just a worker like them, but their passion for whatever they were talking to you about made you think they don't belong here. And you gave them like a referral, not thinking that they will listen to you. And they actually did listen to you. And now they're in a top job. They're making triple the amount that they were making before. And they're thankful to you. They're thankful to you. I'm also picking up for some of you that you may have told someone that someone was investing too heavily on them. Someone was trying to manipulate them. And at first they didn't want to believe it. Maybe they thought, oh, this person's just so helpful. This person's just it's making my life easy for me. But you're trying to explain, listen, this person is trying to bind you. They're trying to control you. Now, I'm not saying that if someone gives you something or does a friendly gesture, they're trying to bind you, right? I don't want you guys getting paranoid, right? But at the same time, there's ways that people do these things. And you were trying to warn someone before and they weren't listening to you. Maybe because of ego, maybe because they just literally didn't see that this person was trying to control them. Because normal people don't operate like that, right? But as the months progressed, maybe in the 7th month, we're in the 7th month now, they started to see concrete evidence, Seven of Pentacles, that this person was actually a manipulator. They were using certain tones. They were maybe staring into their eyes. They were trying to, bind them and hypnotize them and bend this person, whoever you warned, to their will. And this person noticed that they didn't act this way with other people. They only acted this way with them. They're very forceful with giving to them, even though they didn't ask for anything. And they realized, true to form, that this person was actually trying to manipulate them and control them for some reason, which may have caused some type of argument. For some of you, you have told someone that there's someone that has beef with you. And no one could see at first, right? But as time progressed, people started to see that this person does try to socially isolate you. This person's very standoffish. Someone has caught them giving you a dirty look, ignoring you, trying to stunt on you, trying to minimize you in some way, like by trying to like leave you out. Is their energy is very frosty and cold towards you, and at first you were trying to warn people and they're like, no, that's just her personality, you know, she don't really know people. You're like, but I've been knowing this chick for like 5 years. Like every time I come around, she's moving funny with me. Like, stop inviting me to these parties if you know she's gonna be there. Like, it's awkward and I don't want to be, yeah, so better you just don't invite me in it. And you're like, no, 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 she's having a bad time, she's having a rough time, you know, because she had an argument. Oh, surprise, surprise, she had an argument with someone, you know. But you're trying, basically you're trying to show someone that someone's toxic and no one doesn't want to listen to you. But as time progresses, this person sees, hold on a minute, I see the way they interact with other people, I see the way they interact with you, you're actually right, I actually don't really check for this person because it's very unattractive the way they're treating you. And now people are seeing that you were telling the truth. Now people are seeing that, okay, this person does look down upon my butterflies, they are quite snobby, you know, they are actually jealous, you know, they could actually be racist or prejudiced. And now people are cutting contact from this person, they're minimizing their interactions with this person, and it's making people feel trapped and stuck in their head. And also, you have saved someone a lot of mental anguish because you have warned someone about maybe handing over money to someone that they just met on social media, maybe some type of internet dating whereby the person who they were connected with was a catfish, and also they were trying to say, oh yeah, if you just give me money, then you know you can pay for my flight, we could be together, we can get married. And you know your friend was single for a long time, or someone that you knew, a friend of a friend, you were like, I don't trust that because I heard or I saw a YouTube video or a TikTok video that they're scammers, and you just broke it down. And this person didn't want to believe you because obviously they thought this was their only opportunity for love. And you're like, listen, there's other websites, but for now I feel like you should just wrap the situation up, alert the police. How much did this person tell you that you need to hand over? Something of that sort. So you saved someone a lot of money and a lot of peace. So congratulations. Now they're seeing what you're saying is true, because whoever they were connected to was being very, very very assertive, like, when are you gonna give me the money, and being very combative, like they wanted to, you know, they were being aggressive, like, oh, if you don't give me the money, then I might meet someone else online, I'm on other websites, you know. And they're like, yeah, but I thought we were building up something, I thought we were gonna meet at the Eiffel Tower, I thought that, you know, you had all these plans, we're gonna go for a cruise, yeah, but you need to hurry up. Like, being very forceful and being very aggressive. It's like their mask slipped and they may have like threatened whoever you were talking to, like, oh, I'm gonna do this to you if you don't. And then that's when it clicked to that person, like, oh my days, like I literally could have flown over someone that could have really hurt me. And if they got kids as well, they might be thinking, oh my god, like I could have put me and my family in danger, you know. And you literally saved this person. So now people are seeing what you say is true. I mean, we don't always get it right, but you get an inkling, you get an insight, and you help others. You are the people of the signs, or the people of the signs that you're trying to warn folk from. Could be Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, Taurus, Libra, Taurus again, Gemini, Aquarius, Taurus, Libra, Gemini, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. Your friends and your family need to listen to you.